Imagine waking up one day, no credit card debt, no paycheck to paycheck stress. Your money works while you sleep. Sounds impossible? Actually, most wealthy Americans follow just a few simple money rules. Today I'm sharing 10 personal finance lessons that can completely change your financial future. Stay until lesson has home, because it's the mistake almost everyone makes. Lesson number 10. Spend less than you earn. If you spend more than you make, you'll always stay broke. The richest people don't become rich because they earn more. They become rich because they keep more. Lesson number 9. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Car repairs, medical bills, job loss. Without emergency savings, one problem becomes financial disaster. Aim for 3-6 months of expenses. Lesson number 8. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad. A mortgage can build wealth, but high-interest credit card debt destroys it. If your card charges 25% interest, your investments must beat 25% just to catch up. Lesson number 7. Start investing early. Time matters more than money. Someone investing $200 every month from age 25 often ends up with far more wealth than someone investing double starting at 40. Compound interest is financial magic. Lesson number 6. Live below your means. Don't buy things just to impress people. Millionaires often drive ordinary cars. Real wealth is invisible. Lesson number 5. Increase your income. Saving has limits. Income doesn't. Learn new skills. Ask for raises. Start side businesses. Invest in yourself. Lesson number 4. Know where every dollar goes. If you don't control your money controls you. Track every expense. Budget every month. Lesson number 3. Never stop learning about money. School teaches math, but rarely teaches money. Read books. Watch finance channels. Study investing. Knowledge pays the highest interest. Lesson number 2. Don't try to get rich quickly. Crypto hype. Lottery. Gambling. Guaranteed returns. These destroy wealth. Slow investing wins. Lesson number 1. Make your money work for you. Money earned from your job is limited. Money invested keeps working forever. That's the difference between working for money and money working for you. One day, your investments can pay your bills. That's real financial freedom. If this video helped you, subscribe because every week we break down investing and personal finance in the simplest way possible.